Hello guys, and today I'm gonna play the Don't Press the 100,000 series, part 7. Let's just begin. Okay, leaderboard. Oh, speedrun. Huh. By the way guys, after this video, I'm gonna make a live stream. Like after this video by like 2 or 3 minutes. Probably. A lot by like having a, and if I don't upload by then, probably after like by 30 minutes. Today's goal is 35,500 coins. Yes, from today I'm gonna say the goal. So like people aren't confused. Or not confused. Okay, that person has a good amount of coins. The 7,900. Well, 899, but potato. No, the speed will go. Okay. Press. Oh no. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Okay. Oh yeah, I love this one. But I hate it at the same time because it requires effort. And I don't like effort when it comes to games. Who even does? No, I'm gonna fall. You know what? I know I'm not gonna win, but I'm gonna try. Wait. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wee. Oh no. I'm bad at this one, but I'm gonna try to. Huh. For this one, we need an auto clicker. What? I was trying to miss. Oh no. I'm gonna try to put it up there. And guys, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by September 1st. And please make that a real thing. A real record. Okay, yeah, this guy with the almost 31 is gonna win. Okay. Time's up. Well, congrats. Oh my god, what the hell is happening with my phone? Okay. The problem is I can't see the timer because like it's fully dark now. Oh my god, my friend is sending like... My friend. He's sending messages by the millisecond. No! Like, what the hell? Oh my god, he won't listen. Fine, let him spam until he will stop spamming. Because there's no way he's gonna spam until the end of time. Cheesecake. Get over here. Get over here. Jump. Wee. Yay, Mr. Piano. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, duckies. Aw, looks like someone didn't get it. Oh my god, this is getting annoying. Huh. Huh. Six something. Eight. Nine. Make this my 9. Yay. Oh, come on, 9. 10. Yay, I win. Someone's a seeker. I'm gonna sabotage. Oh, I sabotaged you. You're cooked. I'm gonna make some music. I'm gonna make it seem like I am the seeker. And we'll make it seem like we're close because, like, it's only spawn if you have this item. The problem is I don't know how much time's left, so... Because, like, I'm looking at my... Oh, no. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Why are you chasing me? 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 Oh, no. Ooh la la. I am captured. Ew. Fine. I guess I'll just walk with this thing. There we go. Now at least have some light around. Wait, how much time's left? Oh, 9 seconds. Okay. Someone won. 3, 2, 1, begin. Oh, come on, it skipped him. Haha. Dude. Who are we eating these tables at? Oh, ooh la la, I am cooked. Haha. We're just flinging tables at this point. What? I'm slow. My walking isn't right. Look at the way I'm walking. Okay, yeah. Let me restart. Reset, what am I saying? Okay, now I can go around normally. Please. Yes, give me the clump. Give me the clump. Oh, come on. Give me the clump. Oh my god. Oh. Give me that. How many points do I have? Oh, in the 20s, mid-20s. We're just walking spheres at this point. 2, 1. Wait, how many points did I get? 35. That's good. 11 difference. Easy. Haha. Is my friend still spamming? He stopped. Thank God. Come on, I need at least a small light. I hate this, like why are you making it dark? Oh, I know why you're making it dark. How dumb I am. How dumb am I? 15 coins left. How would I die? How much time is left? 22 seconds. Okay. What? No, I can't switch my avatar. What? What the hell is this? The hell? Baldi, come here, Baldi. Guys, give me Baldi, give me Baldi. I know what to do with this guy. Give me Baldi. Baldi, my guy. Guys, give me Baldi. I know what to do to him. If you guys want him to get out of here, fine, then I'll just do this. Oh, now you're making him come with me. Huh. Okay. Really? Give me the double coin. Please be double wallet when I get it. Thank God. Wait, guys. Rate my avatar. Rate it. I hope this becomes the thumbnail picture. 11 coins left. 9. Oh no, it's raining bombs. Again. Five coin is left. Please, no human being should mess this up. And a human being messed this up. But you know what? I need to do this. I did not sign up for this. Great, now I'll look like Albert Einstein. My nose is itching me. This is not a time for an itchy nose. Eat. Great, now everyone's gonna... now it's only 2 people. I'm probably gonna be one of them. And the other person will just chase me for like 15 straight seconds. I'm gonna stay like this and see if someone cares. Oh, someone does care. Someone does care. Someone doesn't care. Someone now does care. Someone now doesn't care. Someone now does care. Why is no one caring about me in this scenario? 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack me! Yay! Sorry guys, now we need to end the video. Bye!